Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures, Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this session, we focus on decoding in SSIS. When I work for a sales department, I transfer custom table to custom date map every day, but sometimes the date was messed up. So I have to record the error information into one flat file to make my debugging job easier. I had a custom table like this, and I had a custom date mart table like this. Usually, we do it in SSIS. Firstly, we drag in a data flow task into control flow. In data flow pane, we drag in an OLEDB source, connect to our database. Table choose customs. Then drag in an OLEDB destination. Link them. Also connect to our database. Table choose custom date mart. Let's execute the package. We got error on it. When this situation happened, I need to get error information for that. For example, which row failed and why it failed. How to do that? We drag in a script component. Check type as transformation. Link OLEDB destination to script component. Configure error output. Set error as redirect row. Double-click script component. Input columns. Check error code and error column. Input and output. Output columns. Add column error describe. Data type is string. Length is 1000. Add column error column name. Data type is string. Length is 100. Edit script by using C#. Public override void input 0 process input rows is build it. Finally, move in a flat file destination. Link them. Connect to new output folder. Error output txt. Check column names in the first date row. Mappings. Then execute this package. Take a look for what was happening. The error output file records the file loading information. We can see ID number 6 failed. Its date type didn't match. Good, today we done a perfect job. So learn SQL from real jobs. See you next time.